How you going, people? I know I've had a lot of requests on my first aid kit and what I can carry, and I'm meaning to try and do that, and I just haven't got around to it. But um, I was at a little meet and greet with some 3%ers up in Grapevine today, and we started talking about different sutures and things, and this came up: zip stitch. I don't know how many of y'all have heard this before, but it's pretty stinking cool. So let's take a look at a little video on it. So it's called Zip Stitch, and it's basically a stitchless deal. Now, I thought when they first started describing it, it was like a butterfly bandage, but it's pretty stinking cool. Check this out.
Zip Stitch, surgical quality design. Trusted by top hospitals for years, Zip wound closure technology is now available without a prescription. Zip Stitch is secured on both sides of your wound with two 1.5-inch strips of a unique hydrocolloid pressure-sensitive adhesive, engineered to last for up to 7 days.
So it holds for a week.
And dry skin. 4 zip ties made of medical-grade polymer material connect the two adhesives, providing micro-adjustable wound closing capability. These ties allow you to securely close wounds without needles and stitches. Zip Stitch's zip ties are very easy to handle and control. Multiple zip ties allow you to adjust the pulling force across the length of the wound for just the right amount of closure at all parts of the wound. The micro-adjustable zip ties put you in complete control of the closure. This precision protects your wound from forces that contribute to increased scarring. Zip's uniform force distribution also reduces the compression on both sides of the wound to help maintain healthy blood flow, critical to healing and scar minimization. Zip Stitch acts as a scaffold or cage around the wound, isolating and protecting the wound from movement that can pull on the wound and disrupt healing. Zip technology is 8 times stronger than stitches. Zip Stitch
8 times stronger than stitches.
is a great new option for your first aid kit. A major upgrade versus butterfly and strip closures that are basically just strips of tape. A non-invasive solution you can use anywhere when you can't get to an ER for stitches.
Okay, so now the downside is each one of these costs 30 bucks or $29.99 on Amazon. So pretty pricey, but man, if you can afford it, really nice to have in your kit if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you don't want to worry about sewing and stitching and doing things like that, and you get a cut. Really neat little gadget. Hopefully the price will go down as more people make them, but I thought I would share that for your first aid kits. Well, in that there.